taking the old bling mobile and giving it to a friend. We got too many cars. It's one less that we have to have in the parking lot at the house. So it's been a good driver. I really liked it. My old bling mobile. Anyway, it's going to Kelly, and I know he's gonna really enjoy driving around in it after he takes the kissy lips off of it. Anyway, June 1st, saying goodbye to the car. The Big Apple Diner. It's an awesome place. Look, there's Elvis. Let's see Elvis. There he is. I like Red Apple Diner. I like that it's old time.